At any given time on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Brilliance 80, you have got a help option right at your fingertips. So you have what's called Quick Help with the question mark on the top row that's in the pink area. So when you touch it, it should start pulsating blue. When that has happened, whatever you touch next, it's going to define what that means. So for example, if I come down, I'm going, gosh, what is this cloud with the heart on it? And I touch it. It will come up with what it's called, so that makes it really easy to then look things up. It will also tell you what it is, read about saving the stitch, so that is what I touched, was a save option. Read about saving a program, read about saving a design. So here would be where I could touch, and it's going to open up the built-in manual to help you start to learn more about that area of the machine. So instead of having to look it up and research it, all you have to do is actually touch that quick help area and then touch something, and it'll take you right to what it is. So I really like it that I don't have to search through the user's guide. I don't have to know what to call it. I can really just go ahead, and let's go ahead and do that again. So to get out of that area, touch the sewing machine in the top center, reselect the Quick Help. It's pulsating blue. And this time let's touch the area with the scissors and the little picture of a design. And this is the design applique area. Touch to open the design applique window. Read about the design applique. You mean I have a design applique area in this machine? Oh my gosh, yes. We will go into this in depth in its own design applique video where we'll show you how to really get in and try that out. It's really fun. So again, touch the Joy OS Advisor to minimize that. And again, back to the Joy OS Advisor here, where we can come back into this area with the select technique. You can learn a lot about the different designs, as well as go into the knowledge center and go into the, there's a stabilizer guide, there's embroidery preparation, since we're kind of talking about embroidery in part, attaching the foot, hooping stabilizer, that type of thing. So there's a lot of information already in the machine. I hope you'll explore it. But if you don't know what something is, that question mark is going to be your best friend.